Have you ever noticed that walking up the stairs feels harder than it used to? Or that bending down to pick something off the floor takes more effort than just a few years ago? That slow, creeping loss of strength isn't just in your head, it's a well-documented condition known as sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. It begins as early as our 40s and accelerates after 60, affecting nearly 1 in 3 older adults. Many accept it as a natural part of aging. But that's not the whole story. While aging is inevitable, losing your muscle mass and vitality doesn't have to be. Recent studies in geriatric health show that lifestyle, especially diet, can significantly influence how much muscle we retain as we age. The right foods can help slow down or even reverse this decline. In particular, specific fruits rich in antioxidants, potassium, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds play a powerful role in preserving strength. These aren't exotic superfoods or hard-to-find items. They're fruits you can find at any grocery store. By making small, consistent changes, like adding these fruits to your meals, you can support your muscles, improve balance, reduce fatigue, and keep your independence longer. So, what if you could reclaim strength without medication or intense workouts? The answer might be on your plate. Aging is a natural part of life, but losing your vitality doesn't have to be. Many adults over 60 begin to notice a gradual decline in muscle strength, energy, and stability. This condition, known as sarcopenia, is often accepted as inevitable. Yet science tells us otherwise. Emerging research in nutrition and aging shows that targeted dietary choices can play a significant role in preserving muscle mass and supporting healthy aging. Surprisingly, some of the most effective tools against muscle loss aren't found in pills or powders, but in fruits. Yes, the ones in your kitchen. Certain fruits are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, antioxidants, and plant-based compounds that naturally reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These elements are key in maintaining muscle health, improving recovery, and supporting daily function. Better yet, many of these fruits are safe for those managing chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. They offer gentle, nourishing support without the side effects of medications. In today's video, we'll highlight 5 science-backed fruits that do more than nourish. They help rebuild strength, improve balance, and promote independence. And the most powerful fruit of all? It's probably sitting on your countertop right now. Overlooked, underestimated, but ready to help you feel strong again. If you value natural, science-backed health tips for aging well, be sure to comment and subscribe to Health is Gold. You'll discover easy, practical ways to stay strong and independent. And yes, the fruit that tops this list might already be sitting on your kitchen counter. Avocados are more than a trendy food. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that support muscle health, especially in older adults. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce chronic inflammation, a key contributor to muscle degradation and weakness over time. Unlike acute inflammation, chronic inflammation doesn't always cause pain, but it silently damages tissues, including muscle fibers. Avocados are also packed with potassium and magnesium, 2 essential minerals that aid muscle contraction, prevent cramping, and support overall nerve function. One medium avocado contains more potassium than a banana, making it an ideal fruit for seniors who frequently experience nighttime leg cramps or muscle tightness. Additionally, avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative stress and age-related wear and tear. Their high fiber content also supports blood sugar regulation, which is particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Take Clara, 72, who used to wake up almost every night with leg cramps. Her daughter suggested adding half an avocado to her meals. Within 2 weeks, she reported sleeping better and feeling stronger during her morning walks. Whether sliced onto toast, blended into smoothies, or mashed into healthy desserts, avocado is a delicious and versatile ally in maintaining strength and independence after 60. Tart cherries, known for their deep red color and sour taste, are a natural remedy for muscle soreness and inflammation, especially beneficial for older adults. Unlike sweet cherries, tart cherries are exceptionally rich in anthocyanins, potent plant compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce muscle damage, ease post-exercise soreness, and speed up recovery, making tart cherry juice a valuable addition to a healthy aging routine. In fact, clinical studies have shown that both athletes and non-athletes who consume tart cherry juice regularly experience significantly less muscle stiffness and better mobility. But the benefits go beyond physical relief. Tart cherries naturally contain melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. This makes them particularly useful for older individuals struggling with insomnia or fragmented sleep. Improved sleep not only restores energy but also facilitates overnight muscle repair. Paul, 68, described feeling like he had cement in his legs each morning. After drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice every evening, he noticed reduced stiffness and deeper sleep within 2 weeks. For best results, choose 100% pure tart cherry juice with no added sugars. Alternatively, dried tart cherries or capsules offer convenient options for daily use without the sugar load. Tart cherry is a small fruit with powerful restorative benefits. Pomegranates are a vibrant, nutrient-rich fruit that offer powerful support for muscle health and cellular energy, two factors that decline naturally with age. One of their primary benefits lies in their high concentration of polyphenols, which act as potent antioxidants to combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress accelerates muscle fatigue and impairs recovery by damaging muscle fibers and reducing mitochondrial efficiency. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice has been linked to improved endurance, faster recovery, and reduced muscle soreness, even in individuals who are not engaged in strenuous physical activity. Another standout benefit is pomegranate's ability to boost nitric oxide production, a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Enhanced blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to muscle tissues, promoting faster repair and better overall performance. Additionally, pomegranates support mitochondrial function, the energy factories of cells, helping muscles generate energy more efficiently. George, 74, started drinking a small glass of pomegranate juice before gardening each morning. He reported feeling less sore and more refreshed afterward, with noticeably improved sleep. To reap these benefits, drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice daily. Or enjoy the fresh arils sprinkled over yogurt, in salads, or blended into smoothies. It's a delicious and natural way to support active aging and daily vitality. Prunes, often associated with digestive health, are an underrated powerhouse for muscle and bone support, especially in older adults. Rich in polyphenols, prunes help stimulate the production of insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, a hormone critical for muscle protein synthesis and the maintenance of lean body mass. This makes them particularly valuable for combating sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle. In addition, prunes are one of the best natural sources of boron, a trace mineral that plays an essential role in helping the body metabolize calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, 3 nutrients vital for both muscle contraction and bone density. Prunes are also high in soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and lowers LDL cholesterol, contributing to stable energy and better cardiovascular health. Aunt Helen, 76, initially dismissed prunes as just a remedy for constipation, but after adding 5 prunes to her breakfast each morning, she noticed a significant reduction in joint stiffness and muscle soreness during her daily walks. Prunes are easy to enjoy. Eat them straight from the bag. Chop into oatmeal, or blend into homemade energy balls with nuts and nut butter. With a low glycemic index and sweet flavor, they're a safe and satisfying snack that supports both strength and longevity. Apples are one of the most familiar and accessible fruits, but their benefits for muscle health are often overlooked. The key lies in their peel, which contains a natural compound called ursolic acid. Research shows that ursolic acid helps promote muscle growth and reduce muscle breakdown by influencing key pathways involved in protein synthesis. This is especially valuable for aging adults, as it may counteract sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass. Apples also provide quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that supports mitochondrial health, allowing muscle cells to produce energy more efficiently and resist fatigue. This means better endurance and improved recovery after physical activity. Additionally, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that promotes digestive health, reduces inflammation, and supports nutrient absorption, critical for muscle repair and strength. Mr. David, 79, credits his morning apple with helping him maintain his stamina for gardening. He eats it whole, skin on, and swears by its energizing effects. For maximum benefit, choose organic apples, wash them thoroughly, and avoid peeling. Slice them over oatmeal, pair with almond butter, or enjoy as a midday snack. Despite their sweetness, apples have a low glycemic index and are safe for people managing blood sugar. They're a small daily habit with big returns for strength, energy, and independence. You don't need a gym membership, expensive supplements, or a complicated fitness routine to protect your muscles as you age. What you do need is consistency, and sometimes that starts with something as simple as what you put on your plate. The 5 fruits we've explored, avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prune, and apple, each offer unique compounds that support muscle preservation, energy production, and recovery. They're backed by science, easy to find, and gentle enough for daily use. Even in individuals managing diabetes or heart disease, these fruits aren't just snacks, they're nutritional tools that help combat sarcopenia, support mobility, and promote healthy aging. Think of each fruit as a small act of self-care. A slice of avocado in the morning, a glass of tart cherry juice at night, a few prunes with breakfast. Each one adds up. Over time, these simple choices can lead to stronger muscles, better balance, less soreness, and more confidence in your daily life. Aging doesn't mean losing independence, it's about adapting wisely. Your body still responds to care, and nature has provided powerful allies in the most familiar forms. Let food be your foundation. Small steps, repeated daily, build lifelong strength and resilience. And it all starts with a single bite. Have you already tried any of these fruits? Have you noticed changes in your strength, energy, or overall well-being? We'd love to hear your experience. Your story might be the encouragement someone else needs to begin their journey toward better health. Leave a comment below and share what's worked for you. Whether it's your morning avocado toast, an evening glass of tart cherry juice, or the simple habit of eating apples with the peel, every choice matters. And if you found value in today's video, don't forget to subscribe to Health 365. We're here to bring you science-backed, practical, and uplifting health advice tailored for aging well, naturally and confidently. Because aging is not the end of strength, it's a new phase of wisdom, care, and purpose. Your body still responds to love, and the little things you do each day add up. Remember, every small bite is a quiet act of strength. You're still growing, you're still adapting, and most importantly, you're still here, choosing life with intention. Let's support one another in this journey toward healthy aging. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos that help you live fully, at every stage of life.